the ligands are arranged according to the magnitude of delta octahedral in a series which is known by the name of spectrochemical series. This series tells about the strength of ligands and their power of splitting. It is I negative, Br negative, HCN negative, Cl negative, S2 negative. These are weak field ligands. They produced weak electrical field. Then F negative, OH negative, C2O42 negative, H2O, NCS, EDTA, ammonia, then it is CN, then it is CO. These produced a strong field. Now, the arrangement of electrons in the orbital that depends upon the splitting. For the one electron present in d orbital, two electrons present in the d orbital, three electrons are present in the d orbital, they will occupy the lowest dxy, dyz, dxz orbitals according to Hund's rule. Now, for the d4 electrons, there are two options. Either it should occupy T2G orbitals and should do pairing, or it should occupy EG orbital, T2G orbital and that of a EG orbital. There are two options. Either the electron should be paired. This paired electron will face a large repulsion from the electrons which are already present. Now, it will depend upon the energy for pairing. The energy for pairing is the energy which is required for the pairing of electron. I have already told you that when this pairing takes place, there is a great repulsion that is faced by the electrons. Now, there are again two options. If delta octahedral is less than p, it will be, the electrons will be occupied like this, T2G3 and EG1. In T2G there will be 3 electrons and there will be 1 electron in that of a EG orbital. There will be no pairing and the field produced, that is known by the name of weak field, and there will be high spin. The second option is, if delta octahedral is greater than p, in that case there will be no pairing of electron will be taking place and we will write the configuration T2G4 EG0. These ligand will produce a strong field and they are known by the name of a low spin. This occupancy depends upon the strength of ligand. Some of the ligands, they produced weak field. Some of the ligands, they produced strong field, and that always depends upon the strength of ligand which is given in that of a spectrochemical series. Unless and until there are 3 electrons that will always occupy these lowest energy d orbitals. From electron 4 to 7, they are more stable in that of a T2G state. The 6 electrons that will occupy this and the 1 electron that will occupy EG. But For the only ligands which produces weak field, in that case only this is possible. The electron which are producing a strong field, in that case pairing takes place. Now I will tell you about the filling of these ligands or about the tetrahedral entity.